Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Etsy Seller Central, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Etsy Seller Central, first, visit the Etsy website. At the top right corner, you'll see an option that says sign in. If you already have an Etsy account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on register. Fill in your email address, choose a username, and set a password. After completing the registration form, click on Register to create your account. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Etsy homepage and find the Sell on Etsy option. Click on it to proceed to the seller registration page. You will be prompted to click on Open your Etsy shop. Select your preferred shop language, country, and currency. Once you've made your selections, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll set your shop name. Ensure your shop name is unique and adheres to Etsy's guidelines. After entering your desired name, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to add your listings. Click on Add a listing to start creating your first product. Upload high-quality images of your item. Fill in the title, description, and price for your listing. Once the listing is complete, click Save and Continue. You can add more listings if desired by repeating this process. After creating your listings, you'll need to set up payment options. Choose from the various payment methods available. Follow the prompts to enter your banking information for deposits. Next, set your shop policies. Outline details regarding shipping, returns, and exchanges. Once you've reviewed and completed all sections, click on Open your shop. Your Etsy shop will now be live and open for business. Celebrate your success as a new Etsy seller. Continue to promote your shop and engage with customers for growth. Remember to regularly update your listings and manage your shop effectively. And that's how you register with Etsy Seller Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.